Welcome to Company Showcase, an advertising feature on HowStreet.com.
I'm Jim Goddard. I'm speaking with Jim Pettit, President and CEO of Aben Resources. Welcome back to the show, Jim.
Thank you, Jim.
And happy Canada Day.
Same to you. It's going to be a long weekend.
Jim, you have some boots on the ground and some drills in the ground as well. Can you tell us about it?
Yeah, well, we just announced the other day that, 2 days ago, that we have now started drilling, which is a great milestone, considering that we're now drilling over a month earlier than when we started last year. So we can avoid some of the headaches of sending core to the labs, which were dramatically backed up because there was a lot of drilling going on last year at this time. Right now, there's a few of us drilling, not a lot. I think turnaround time in the labs will be a lot better. At least I'm hoping. And with the depth of the holes that we've got planned, possibly averaging around 250 meters, they shouldn't take long. We can put a bunch together and get them off to the lab pretty quick. We're starting in the north boundary zone. We're starting in an area that we discovered last year. We are going to be doing some step outs to kind of identify the extension, if there is one, but we're pretty confident there is, and we want to follow it for as far as it goes. And if we have success, maybe we can bring in another drill after another financing. But, that all remains to be seen. But we're pretty confident. And, I'm starting to, there's a little traction being offered now in some of these other companies. I was looking at GT Gold today. They're up 13 cents. So I like that. They haven't got any, they announced their drilling a day before us, so that's all good. It's nice to see that kind of reaction in the market, given that it's going into the Canada Day weekend as well as the 4th of July. So the weeks, the market gets kind of slow, but we could be the only excitement going for the next little while.
For people who are new to the Aben Resource story, can you give us a bit of a background?
Yeah, sure. Where we're drilling is in the northwest quadrant of British Columbia in an area called the Golden Triangle. This is an area that has a very unique geologic environment and has a very good history, going way back decades, to some tremendous success stories like Eskay Creek and Snip and Premier and a few others. And in more recent times, you've now got Red Chris, and you've got Pretium went into production last year, and some recent discoveries like GT Gold, and like to our right on our southern border is Garibaldi Resources. So, we're looking forward to it. I think we're in the right area for sure, and I think you're going to hear a lot about the Golden Triangle this summer.
Jim, where are you traded, and how can people get more information about Aben Resources? We're
traded on the TSX venture under the symbol ABN.V, and in the United States on the OTCQB listing, ABN AF. And you can reach us here at the office, 604-687-3376.
Jim, thanks a lot for the update.
Anytime.
We've been speaking with Jim Pettit, Aben Resources CEO and President. I'm Jim Goddard. Our conversation took place on June 29th.
Comments made on Company Showcase are an expression of opinion only and should not be construed in any manner whatsoever as recommendations to buy or sell any financial instrument at any time. Archived online at HowStreet.com. Company Showcase is a production of How Street Media Incorporated.